you are not depressed. You are just disconnected. I'm not saying depression is not real, but sometimes yung sadness, yung feeling natin na lost tayo, feeling natin depression na kaagad yun. Nami-misinterpret natin. Actually, we are just disconnected to our real nature because of too much na masyado nating pinupursu yung mga bagay na standard basis ng ibang tao. Hanggang sa nakakalimutan na natin kung sino talaga tayo, ano talagang totoo nating pagkatao, hanggang sa nalalayo na tayo doon sa totoong tayo. So one way to reconnect yourself is through nature. Kasi ang nature, it heals. Sometimes, kailangan mo lang magpaa ulit. Hayaang mabasa ng ulan, mainitan. Because it is part of us. This is way for us na para ma-reconnect natin ang ating sarili sa totoong tayo. Anyways, yun lang. Share ko lang. Just a friendly reminder. Have a nice day.